Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Academy, and today's topic of our general discussion is National Strategy for Financial Education. Now why we are discussing on NSFE here? Because in recent notice of RBI, they have released several editions of the documents in which it is clearly mentioned that the various sections of the society must have the knowledge of various financial products and they must be financial aware so that we can create empowered India. Now the important point is that it is second term of NSFE, that is for 2020 to 2025 it is second term, the first one being released in 2013, that is 2013. Now the various key points of NSFE is that the National Strategy for Financial Education was developed by National Council of Financial Education, that is NSFE, in the supervision of all financial regulators like RBI, Reserve Bank of India, ACABI, SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India, IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, and PFRDA, that is Pension Fund and Regulatory Development Authority. Now they will be worked under the aegis of TGFIFL, that is Technical Group of Financial Inclusion and Financial Education. Now the important point of the National Strategy for Financial Education is to create financial awareness among various sections of the society. So they have first released 5C concept. The first C stands for content, means to create financial awareness content for the society. The second one is capacity, to create the capacity and code of conduct for all financial service providers. The third one is community, to create community in which sustainable progress can be made. The fourth one is communication. We can use various kinds of technology, media, social media and various kind of services to create and to make financial awareness with our innovative and creative idea. And the last one is collaborate, to streamline effort of all the other sections of the stakeholders. We can make together effort to create financial awareness being various sections of the population. Now they have also imposed that they have also give a suggestion that we can also impose monitoring and framework, so that under TGFIFL we can give the supervision services to TGFIFL, which will ensure the monitoring, the complete monitoring of the NSFE, that is National Service of Financial Education. Now the various aspect of the various key objective of the National Financial Services Education is, first is financial literacy, to create financial literacy among the peoples. The second one is to encourage active saving behavior of the people. The third one is to encourage various financial activities among the people, to encourage digital transaction, to encourage the knowledge and information of the digital transaction via various creative and innovative idea with the youth of the India. And they must have the knowledge of various kind of risk and they can solve them via insurance policies or via pension products like that, right? And they can here one more important thing is that improve research and evaluation method to access the progress of financial education. Now TGFIFL basically was set up in 2011, which will supervise the monitoring and implementation of NSFE, that is National Service of Financial Education, National Strategy of Financial Education. Now way forward we can look it like that India from previous last several years have made tremendous improvement in the sections of financial activities, and we can count it like various financial inclusion policies like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kishan Man Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yog Man Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. These steps were taken by the government and according to Findex, that is Financial Index 2017, the active account of the Indian adults was 35% in 2011, which was increased to 80% in 2017. So we can also see the inclusive growth among youth, and we can create financial awareness, we can create financial literacy by preparing such financial content and such kind of videos. So it is all about, it is the brief summary of NSFE, that is National Strategy for Financial Services, and I hope the knowledge which I have discussed with you are will be helpful for you. And if you have several important points, then you can comment in our comment section and we will look forward to hear from you. Thank you so much guys, have a very nice day. Please stay tuned with us, keep subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that you can be aware with the latest events and latest policies of the world and Indian government, right? Thank you so much guys, have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.